Hey guys, do you have a cell phone or a laptop? An internet connection? 2 to 4 hours a day to spend working on your business? Of course, that time doesn't have to be all at once. It can be split up throughout the day. In the morning, at lunch, at dinner, before you go to bed. Any of those times will work just fine. If you have all of those, congratulations. You can be an affiliate marketer. And you can promote for companies like Target, Amazon, Walmart, Nike, Adidas, anything you can imagine, they have an affiliate program. So while you're working your 9 to 5 or 8 to 4 or 7 to 3, or you're nursing overnight, working a 3 to 11 or 11 to 7, you can still get paid on the side. What are you waiting for? Someone to do it for you? Hmm. My mentor kind of does do that. He gives you everything you need, everything, and then all you have to do is implement it. So yeah, you have the opportunity to make extra money on the side, 2 to 4 hours a day with a phone, laptop, internet connection,